मैं हूँ रश्मि चौधरी एंड वेलकम टू दिस वीडियो सीरीज। यहाँ हम कवर करेंगे नितिन सिंघानिया की आर्ट एंड कल्चर की फिफ्थ एडिशन जो कि लेटेस्ट एडिशन है। इस किताब को हम थॉरली रीड करेंगे, जहाँ ज़रूरत पड़ेगी समझाएंगे भी, और साथ ही यूपीएससी और स्टेट पीएससीज में आए हुए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। इस सीरीज में एक वीडियो 30 से 35 मिनट्स की होगी, बट इफेक्टिव होगी। 40 से 45 लेक्चर्स में पूरी किताब कवर हो जाएगी। अगर आपने ये सीरीज 3 से 4 बार देख ली तो बिल्कुल ये किताब आपके दिमाग में छप जाएगी एंड योर एक्यूरेसी विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज। ऑल्सो आपका रिवीजन काफी आसान हो जाएगा। तो अगर आपको रिवीजन के साथ साथ वैल्यू एडिशन भी करना है तो ये सीरीज पूरी फॉलो करें। आपको बस अपने पास ये किताब रख कर मुझे सुनना है और इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मार्क करने हैं। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल घटना सूत्र। यहाँ हम कवर करें नितिन सिंघानिया की आर्ट एंड कल्चर की फिफ्थ एडिशन की किताब, जिसमें हम 10 चैप्टर्स कर चुके हैं। लास्ट चैप्टर हमारा डांस फॉर्म्स के बारे में था, इंडियन डांस फॉर्म्स के बारे में। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अबाउट इंडियन थिएटर। दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी, although it is a small chapter but it is a very very important chapter। आपको पता चलेगा इसमें दो टेबल्स हैं। इन दो टेबल्स में से इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स में आए हुए हैं कि आपको बिल्कुल लगेगा कि एक बार दो बार तीन बार जितने बार भी रिवाइज करो ये चैप्टर कम है। सो लेट्स गेट इनटू इट। फर्स्ट इज इंट्रोडक्शन। It has been postulated that the excavated ruins at Sitamena and Jogimara caves represent the world's oldest amphitheaters. This is just one of the instances that highlight the long tradition of theatre in Indian cultural scenario. In Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra, Lord Brahma created the Natya Veda for the pastime of gods, combining elements of four Vedas. Natya Shastra itself was written in the period between 200 BC and 200 AD and is the first formal treatise on dramaturgy. In it, 10 types of play, from one act play to 10 acts, have been described and cover all aspects of classical Sanskrit literature. क्लासिकल संस्कृत थिएटर की अगर हम बात करें तो थिएटर इन इंडिया began as a narrative form art which encompassed a concussion of music, dance, and acting. Recitation, dance, and music were integral parts of theater. The word Sanskrit, natak, and was derived from the root word nata, which actually meant a dancer. रूपक, दृश्य काव्य, and preksha kavya were other words used to describe drama. In ancient India, plays were generally of two types, Lokadharmi and Natyadharmi. So Lokadharmi was these were realistic depictions of daily life, and Natyadharmi, these were conventional plays with a more stylized narration and overt symbolism. Sariputra Prakarana by Ashwagosha, again, very important question, probable question. An eminent philosopher is considered the first example of classical Sanskrit drama. It was a nine-act play. Another important playwright of the time was Bhas, who composed 13 plays, probably in the period between 3rd and 4th century AD. Shudrak was the first to introduce the essence of conflict in his play Mrichkatika. Apart from a hero and a heroine, this play features an antagonist for the first time. Kalidas is perhaps the most popular among the Sanskrit playwrights. His three works, Malvikagnimitra, Vikramorvashi, Shakuntalam, are some of the finest examples of classical Sanskrit drama. Kalidas was unparalleled in his portrayal of the eternal conflict between desire and duty. कालिदास के बारे में कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन जो यहाँ पे नहीं लिखी हुई दिखी मुझे। नेम मेंशन्ड इन होल इंस्क्रिप्शन, इससे क्वेश्चन सीएससी 1994 एंड यूपीपीसीएस 2013 में पूछा जा चुका है। तो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट। अगेन एक पोएम है कुमार संभव, वो बीपीएससी 2001 में पूछा जा चुका है। ऑल्दो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ड्रामाज हियर, बट ये पोएम क्योंकि इंपॉर्टेंट है तो बार बार जितनी बार आप रिवाइज करो उतनी बार कम है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया। यू कैन ऑल्सो नोट इट डाउन हियर। सम ऑफ द अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्लेस इंक्लूड उत्तरम चरिता and Mahavir Charita by Bhavabhuti and Mudra Rakshas by Vishak Dutt, very important. रत्नावली बाय हर्षवर्धन। ये सब जितने हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो हम टेबल में पढ़ेंगे, इसलिए मैंने इसको हाईलाइट नहीं किया। अभी आप देखेंगे दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्योंकि मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स में आए हुए हैं। इन द क्लासिकल संस्कृत ट्रेडिशन प्लेज वर कैटेगराइज्ड इनटू 10 टाइप्स, नेमली अंक, भान, दीम, झा, इहमग्रा, नाटक, प्रहसन, प्रहसना, प्रकारना, स्वकरना, विधि, व्यायोग. Natya Shastra describes only two types of these, Nataka and Prakarna. Classical Sanskrit plays were bound by a few rigid conventions. They were generally 4 to 7 act plays. They always had happy endings, unlike the Greek tragedies, where the hero wins or does not die. Portrayal of tragedy was almost rare. The protagonist was male who would always achieve the objective of his desire at the end. The plays had a well-defined opening, progression, development, pause, and conclusion. Sanskrit plays followed an almost ritualistic progression as described below. The play started with a number of pre-play rituals, also known as Purvarag, most of which were performed behind the curtain. Following this, Sutradhar, who was the stage manager and director, entered the stage with his assistants. Dressed in white, he would offer prayer to the deity and seek his blessings. After that, the leading lady was summoned and the time and place of the play was announced by the Sutradhar. He also gave a brief introduction of the playwright. The theatre, as per Bharat, could accommodate around 400 persons. The stages were two-storied, while the upper floor was used for representing celestial spheres. The lower one represented the terrestrial sphere. Next is curtains were used to intensify the impact of the play. However, masks were not used. ठीक है. Characters in Sanskrit plays were important. They were broadly categorized into three kinds, which are Nayak, hero or the protagonist, Naika, heroine, and Vidusaka, ये हुआ clown. Nayaka hero, played by males, may be of different personalities like Lalita, kind-hearted, Shant, calm and composed, Uddat, agitated or arrogant, etc. Hero may also be Pratinayak, antagonist such as Ravan, Duryodhan, etc. नायिका हीरोइन जो है वो played by obviously females are queens, friends, courtesans, गणिका and divine lady दिव्या. Vidusaka जो होता है clown, the comic character, plays a vital role in the plays. He is the noble and good-hearted, often a friend of the hero. He questions the prevailing social norms through satire. Traditionally, he spoke in Prakrit, while others spoke in Sanskrit. Thus, the Sanskrit play became an amalgamation of entertainment and religious traditions. सबसे पहले तो इस टेबल को आप जितनी बार स्टार मार्क लगाना है, जितनी बार इंपॉर्टेंट मार्क करना है कर लो। इससे मल्टीपल टाइम्स सीएससी स्टेट पीसीएस में क्वेश्चन आ चुके हैं। स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑथर है भास, इनका ड्रामा है स्वप्न सव दत्त। वसा वदत्त इन ड्रीम is one of the best dramas written by him. Many of his plays are based on themes from two great epics. The plays based on Ramayana are Pratima and Abhishek, while Madhya मध्य मावयाग योग माव्या योग घटोत्कच और दत्त घटोत्कच कर्णभार and Urubhang, story of Duryodhan during and after his fight with Bhim are based on the Mahabharata. Panchatantra and Charudatta are some other works. Timeline क्या है? Due to non-conformity with the rules of Natya Shastra, Bharata's Natya Shastra, it is believed that Bhas belonged to विद इन 3rd to 4th century BC। अब स्वप्न वसावत दत्त, इससे क्वेश्चन आपका बीपीएससी 1999 में पूछा जा चुका है कि भास ने इनमें से कौन सा ड्रामा लिखा है। नेक्स्ट इज कालिदास, वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कालिदास, his three major plays, Malvika so sorry, इससे क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस 2006 एंड 2012 में पूछा गया है। द लव स्टोरी ऑफ मालविका, अ मेडन ऑफ क्वीन, एंड अग्निमित्र, द सन ऑफ पुष्यमित्र शुंग। अब अग्निमित्र से रिलेटेड प्ले मालविका अग्निमित्रम था या नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस 1998 में पूछा गया है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया है। विक्रम वसीयम, विक्रमोर्वशीयम, लव स्टोरी ऑफ विक्रम एंड उर्वशी, ये भी आपका एक प्ले, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पूछा नहीं गया लेकिन पूछा जा सकता है। अभिज्ञान शकुंतलम, ये एमपीपीसीएस 2000 में पूछा जा चुका है। और द रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ शकुंतला एज मेंशन्ड इन द महाभारत, ये इनके प्ले का थीम था। टाइमलाइन अगर हम देखें तो कालिदास 4th एंड 5th सेंचुरी ईडी में फ्लोरिश किए। किसके रेन में फ्लोरिश किए? चंद्रगुप्त टू के। ये एमपीपीसीएस 1990 में पूछा गया है। बट हिज बेस्ट वर्क्स वर प्रोबेबली रिटन ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ कुमारगुप्त। तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है कि ये किसके किसके रेन में फ्लरिश किए, या ये फिर किसके किसके रेन में ये थे, किसके किसके कोर्ट में थे। तो ही वॉज इन द कोर्ट ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त टू एज वेल एज कुमारगुप्त वन। नेक्स्ट इज शूद्रक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अगेन। मृच कटिका से तो इतनी बार क्वेश्चन आया है, सीएससी 1997, 1998, छत्तीसगढ़ पीसीएस 2005, यूपी पीसीएस 2003। ये क्या है? द लिटिल क्ले कार्ट इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ लव अफेयर ऑफ द यंग ब्राह्मण चारुदत्त एंड अ वेल्दी courtesan. It was probably written after Bhasa's Charudat, 3rd century AD. Kalidas has not mentioned anything about Shudra, but it has been mentioned in Kalahana's Rajat Rangini. नेक्स्ट इज विशाख दत्त, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मुद्रा राक्षस से क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है सीएससी 1998 में कि ये इन्होंने ही लिखा है या नहीं। नेक्स्ट इज, ये रिलेटेड टू ड्रामा है, ड्रामा ये लिखते थे। ये क्वेश्चन सीएससी 1996 में पूछा गया है। ये मुद्रा राक्षस जो है, इट इज अ पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा एंड नरेट्स द एसेंट ऑफ किंग चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य टू पावर इन इंडिया। ये भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है। देवी चंद्रगुप्तम, ये भी क्वेश्चन सीएससी 1997 में पूछा गया है। ये क्या है? पॉलिटिकल ड्रामा विच रिलेट्स टू द स्टोरी ऑफ गुप्ता किंग रामगुप्त who decides to surrender his wife Dhruva Devi to a Shaka enemy, but then his younger brother Chandragupta enters the camp and kills the enemy, and it is believed that he finally married Dhruva Devi after dethroning Ramagupta. इनकी टाइमलाइन की अगर हम बात करें तो दो द period is not certain. It could be dated in or after 6th century AD. According to some sources, Vishak Dutt was a contemporary of Chandragupta II and lived in the late 4th century to 5th century. Next is Harshvardhan, again very important. Harshvardhan the ruler, ये कोई और नहीं है, वो plays भी लिखते थे। तो इनकी प्ले रत्नावली, नागानंद एंड प्रियदर्शिका, ये राजस्थान एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्विसेज 1999 में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है इनके बारे में। द लव स्टोरी ऑफ प्रिंसेस रत्नावली, डॉटर ऑफ द किंग ऑफ सिलोन एंड किंग उदयन। द मेंशन ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ होली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम कैन बी फाउंड हियर। नागानंद, स्टोरी ऑफ हाउ प्रिंस जिमुतवाहन gives up his body to stop a sacrifice of serpents to the divine Garud. One unique characteristic in the drama is the invocation to Lord Buddha in the Nandi verse. Next is Priyadarshika, union of Udayan and Priyadarshika, daughter of King Dridhavarman. Harshvardhan ruled North India from 606 AD to 647 AD and with Kannauj as his capital. भावाभूति, अगेन इनसे रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है कि ये क्या करते थे, ये प्ले राइटर थे, क्या थे? तो प्ले राइट एक ऑप्शन में था, तो सीएससी 2021 में पूछा गया इनसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन। इनके ड्रामा की अगर हम बात करें तो उत्तर रामचरितम, द लेटर लाइफ ऑफ राम, इट वाज रिटन इन 780, महावीरा चरिता एंड मालतिमा धावा are other two dramas ascribed to him. He has been mentioned in Kalahana as poet in the court of King Yasovarman of Kanyakubja. ठीक है, तो ये टेबल काफी इंपॉर्टेंट था. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Reasons for decline of Sanskrit theatre. क्या हुआ आखिर? So the reasons for the decline of Sanskrit theatre include the following. As Sanskrit dramatists began to diverge towards poetry and the lyrical writing started gaining popularity over dramatic works. The rigid orthodoxy of the Sanskrit theatre restricted the creative space of new playwrights who turned to other forms. As Sanskrit became more and more embellished, it lost popularity among the masses. It was increasingly confined to religious fare and among the Brahmins, while other languages such as Pali and Prakrit took its place. With the advent of Muslim rulers, Sanskrit theatre took a definite backseat as dance and music gained patronage. Let's read about Kuthiattam या फिर Kudiyattam is India's oldest continuing form of theatre and living tradition that has survived since 10th century AD in Kerala. तो Kudiyattam कहाँ से associated है केरला से ये पूछा जा सकता है. It completely adheres to the rule laid in Natya Shastra and traditional privilege of Chakyar and Nambiyar caste of Kerala. The play is performed in Sanskrit, Prakrit, and Malayalam with musical instruments Mizhavu and Idakka, providing the background music. All the characters begin the play with Nirvahana, a recollection of the past events of the story. After this, the story unfolds in a leisurely fashion with commentaries on social philosophy, philosophical and political behavior. Margi Madhu Chakyar is a leading exponent of this art form. पूछा जा सकता है क्वेश्चन एक्सपोनेंट से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हर बार पूछे गए हैं और पूछे जाएंगे. Folk theatre. India boasts of a rich tradition of folk theatre in various parts of life, parts of India. Sorry, the traditional folk theatre reflects the various aspects of local lifestyle, including social norms, beliefs, and customs. While the Sanskrit theatre was more urban oriented and sophisticated in its treatment of the play, folk theatre had rural roots and the rustic flavor was reflected in the dramatic style involved. The first 5-year plan recommended that the traditional communication made like folk theatres may be used to create social awareness among the masses in rural India regarding women empowerment, eradication of untouchability, etc. Most of the folk theatres that still exist emerged in the period around 15th to 16th century AD with devotional themes. However, with time, it started adopting love ballads and accounts of local heroes and thus adopted more secular tones. In the post-independence period, folk theatre became a popular method of dissemination of social wisdom and then than mere social entertainment. To understand folk theatres across the India, let us discuss them one by one. रिचुअल थिएटर की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें आते हैं अंकिया नाट, रामलीला, रासलीला, भूता एंड रामन. थिएटर फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट की अगर हम बात करें तो इसमें भवाई, दस कठिया, गड़ोदा, जात्रा, करियाला, माच, नौटंकी, ओजापाली, पांडवानी, पोवाड़ा, स्वांग, तमाशा, बिल्लूपट्टू, भानपाथे, भावना, दशावतार एंड भाट, ये सब आते हैं. और अगर हम साउथ इंडियन थिएटर की बात करें तो यक्षगान वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में. बुरा काटा, पगाटी विशालू, विशालू, बयालता, ताल मडेले, नेक्स्ट इज थेयम, कृष्णाटम और कुरुवंजी, ये सब आते हैं. Let's read them one by one. Ankiya Nath, कहाँ से associated है? Very important, Assam से. It is a traditional one-act play started by famous Vaishnav saint Sankar Dev and his disciple Madhav Dev in the 15th to 16th century AD. It is performed in the style of an opera, depicts incidents from life of Lord Krishna. The Sutradhar or narrator is accompanied by a group of musicians known as Gayan Bayan Mandali who play the khol and cymbals. One of the unique features of this form of theatre is use of masks to depict special expressions. Plays are written in Assamese Maithili mixed language called Brajavali. Next is Ojhapalli, again Assam se associated. So Ojhapalli is a unique narrative theatre form primarily associated with festivals of Manasha or serpent goddess. The narration is a prolonged affair with three distinct parts: Baniya Khand, Bhattiyali Khand, and Deva Khand. Ojha is the main narrator, and Palis are the members of the chorus. Next is Bhavna. अब भावना एसोसिएटेड आसाम से और इससे रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन आ चुका है सीएससी मेंस 2020 सॉरी सीएससी मेंस 2011 में जिसमें इस पे शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखने के लिए कहा गया था तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट द आइडिया इज टू स्पेंड रिलीजियस एंड मॉरल मैसेजेस to spread religious and moral messages to people through entertainment and drama. It is the presentation of Ankian art and the use of Vaishnavite themes are common. The Sutradhar narrator narrates the play and sings verses from holy texts. Songs and music are also a part of it. This folk theatre was introduced by Sankar Dev in early 16th century. Next is Ram Leela. कहाँ से associated है? उत्तर प्रदेश से. It is enactment of Ramayana using songs, dances, dialogues mainly during the period before the Shaira. It is generally performed by male actors who perform the role of Sita as well. Next is Nokal or Bhan. ये कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है उत्तर प्रदेश और पंजाब से इट इज मिमिक्री बेस्ड परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम पंजाब लोकल एंड उत्तर प्रदेश भाट द परफॉर्मिंग आर्टिस्ट इज ऑफन कॉल्ड बहरूपिया और नकलची impersonator. He uses comedy, absurdity, wit, and humor to get across the social or political message. It is performed by artists from Muslim Bhard community. नेक्स्ट इज नौटंकी अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इसका एसोसिएटेड एसोसिएशन कहाँ से है ये सीएससी मेंस 1987 में पूछा जा चुका है नॉर्थ इंडिया से है ऑफशूट ऑफ स्वांग नौटंकी इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर फॉर्म्स ऑफ थिएटर इन नॉर्थ इंडिया which finds mention in Abul Fazl's Aine Akbari. The plays are themed around historical, social, and folk tales and delivered through dance and music. The dialogues are delivered in a lyrical fashion accompanied by beats of a drum called Nagara. In the later periods, two schools of Nautanki seated around Kanpur and Lucknow gained importance. Next is Ras Leela, kahan se associated Gujarat. So Leela is a dance drama enactment of the adolescent love stories of Krishna and Radha. Next is Garoda. ये कहाँ से associated है गुजरात से ही. It is a popular art form of the Garod Brahmin community of Gujarat. It uses paint pictures to narrate stories of romance and valor. नेक्स्ट इज भूता आराधना और भूता कोला ये कर्नाटका से एसोसिएटेड है भूता विच मीन्स स्पिरिट is a traditional practice of worshipping divine beings, ancestors, different avatars of Hindu gods, local folklore, heroes, etc., mainly by Tulu-speaking population and is prevalent in coastal Karnataka. Kola is the chief form of Bhuta worship and it is a ritualistic theatre influenced by Yakshagan form. तो यक्षगान जो है अब हम पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे अब जितने स्टार मार्क्स लगाए जितना हाईलाइट करे कम है यक्षगान कहाँ से एसोसिएटेड है ये क्वेश्चन सीएससी 2003 में पूछा गया है और सीएससी मेंस 1995 2005 2007 हर बार पूछा गया है कि राइट अबाउट यक्षगान यही डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन तो आप सोच रहे हैं कि इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस कितनी है कि सिर्फ एक क्वेश्चन आपको मेंस में आ जा रहा है सिर्फ इसी से एक्सक्लूसिवली रिलेटेड तो लेट्स रीड अबाउट इट. It is perhaps one of the oldest theatre traditions which is prevalent till date in Karnataka and parts of Kerala. It originated in the royal courts of Vijayanagar Empire and was performed by a particular community known as Jakulavaru. Originally, it was largely a descriptive dance drama enacted by a single artist. Later forms adopted further variations and became a typical dance drama. It is strongly influenced by Vaishnav Bhakti movement. Let's move to the next page. दिस इज छविट्टू नाटकम, ये केरला से एसोसिएटेड है. इट इज एन ओल्ड मैरीटाइम थिएटर फॉर्म ऑफ कोस्टल केरला. It is a colorful Christian art form and has elements borrowed from both European and Kerala art forms. Its origin can be traced with the advent of the Portuguese to this region. The themes are stories from the Bible and heroic exploits of legendary Christian warriors. Next is Vayalata. ये कर्नाटका से associated है. It is an open air theatre tradition of Karnataka that is performed during the worship of the local deity. The stories are also based on the love of Radha Krishna. It is a form of Yakshagan. Next is Tal Madel. ये कर्नाटका slash केरला से associated है. तो ताल is a kind of cymbal and madale is a kind of drum. It is generally considered as the predecessor of Yakshagan. The play is performed while being seated and without any costumes, dance or acting. The narration is carried out by by a Bhagavad who is aided by a group of Arthadharis. It is mainly performed in coastal Karnataka and Kerala. नेक्स्ट इज विल्लू पाटू या फिर विलादी चंपाटू. ये केरला और तमिलनाडु से एसोसिएटेड है. द टर्म विल्लू पाटू मीन्स बो सॉन्ग. इट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ म्यूजिकल थिएटर पॉपुलर इन केरला एंड सम पार्ट्स ऑफ तमिलनाडु in which stories of Ramayana are narrated using bow-shaped instruments. Next is Theyyam. ये केरला कर्नाटका से associated है और Theyyam is performed in Kerala. It is similar to a practice in Karnataka called Bhuta Kola. It is an important theatre and is performed in the front of local temples to mainly honor the spirits of the ancestors besides gods. Themes of Vaishnav Shaktism and Shaivism are now common. The actors wear elaborate headgear and colorful costumes. Next is Krishna Nattam. ये आपका केरला से associated है. It is a colorful dance drama tradition of Kerala that originated in the mid 17th century based on the works of Krishna Geethi. It is a carnival that lasts for 8 days with performances in 8 consecutive nights at temples narrating the life story of Lord Krishna. Next is Kuruvanji. ये तमिलनाडु से associated है. Originated around 300 years ago, Kuruvanji is characterized by classical Tamil poetry and songs. The first Kuruvanji was composed by Tirikuda Rasappa Kavirayar. The basic theme revolves around a love-struck heroine. Kuruvanji literally means fortune teller who predicts the fate of the heroine. It is performed in a dance ballet form, with Bharatnatyam being the principal dance form in Tamil Nadu. Next is Terukuttu या फिर Thirukuttu. ये तमिलनाडु से associated है. It is a street theatre form practiced in the state of Tamil Nadu in India and Tamil-speaking regions of Sri Lanka. The theme mainly focuses on epics like Mahabharata and in some instances the Ramayana. The plays are combination of song, music, dance, and drama along with clever stage tricks. The actors wear colorful costumes. Next is Raman. ये आपका उत्तराखंड से एसोसिएटेड है. इट इज अ रिचुअलिस्टिक थिएटर ऑफ द गढ़वाल रीजन ऑफ उत्तराखंड. इट इज डेडिकेटेड टू भूमियाल देवता, द लोकल deity. It is listed in the UNESCO's representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity, which makes it very important. People of the Bhandari caste wear the sacred mask symbolizing Narsimha, half man and half lion. Dances are performed and various songs are sung. Stories of Lord Ram are also narrated. Next is Bura Katha. ये आपका आंध्र प्रदेश से एसोसिएटेड है एंड इसका एसोसिएशन कहाँ से है, ये बीपीएससी 1992 में पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है. तो बुरा काठा इज अ पॉपुलर सॉन्ग टेलिंग ट्रेडिशन which derived its name from Bura, the percussion instrument used extensively during the performance. The performance consists of main artist or narrator and two co-artists who provide the rhythm as well as the chorus. Next is uh, Pagati Vishalu. ये तेलंगाना आंध्र प्रदेश से एसोसिएटेड है. इट इज अ फोक ट्रेडिशन पॉपुलर इन तेलंगाना region as well as the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. It is primarily a role-playing act revolving around a principal character known as Vesham, disguise, and other sub-characters. Next is Ogu Katha. ये आपका आंध्र प्रदेश से एसोसिएटेड है. ओगू कोठा है, आई गेस. ओगू Katha, Katha ही बोल लीजिए. It derives its name from Ogu, a small hand drum associated with Lord Shiva. The drama literally means Ogu tales. It Katha, हाँ कथा है. It is performed by the pastoral communities such as Kuruma and Gola Yadavs of the Deccan Plateau. These tradition-loving and ritual performing troops move from place to place, narrating the stories of the caste gods. नेक्स्ट इज तमाशा. तमाशा का एसोसिएशन कहाँ से है? महाराष्ट्र से. ये क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस 2009 एंड 2006 में पूछा गया है. तो तमाशा is a form of folk theatre known for its humor and erotic content. The unique feature of tamasha is the presence of female actors who even play male roles. The tamasha performances are generally accompanied by lavani songs. Next is povada. ये महाराष्ट्र से ही associated है. When Shivaji killed his advisory Afzal Khan, a play was written lauding the heroic deeds of Shivaji, which later came to be known as Povada. They are operatic ballads depicting stories of valor and sung by folk musicians known as Gundhalis and Shahirs. नेक्स्ट इज दशावतार. ये भी महाराष्ट्र और गोवा से एसोसिएटेड है. इस पे भी सीएसई मेंस 2011 में शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखने आया हुआ है. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. It is a popular form of drama by farmers of Konkan region, notably Sindhudurg, Maharashtra, and North Goa. It is to honor the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. It has two parts, Purvarang, initial part, and Uttarang, second part. The second session is the main act and is based on mythological stories. So sorry. Next is about Zaddi Patti. ये भी महाराष्ट्र से associated है. Zaddi Patti derives its name from the local name Zaddi for rice performed in the rice cultivating region of Maharashtra during the harvest season. It is a blend of commercial and folk theatre form. Next is Swang या फिर Sang. ये इसके बारे में भी CSE 2011 मेंस में शॉर्ट नोट्स लिखने आया है और ये राजस्थान या फिर और मध्य प्रदेश का मालवा रीजन से एसोसिएटेड है. Songs are another popular source of entertainment in the region of Rajasthan and Haryana. They are mainly musical dramas sung through verses accompanied by music of ektara, harmonium, sarangi, dholak, and khartal. It also involves mimicry accompanied by dialogue. Next is Bhavai. इसका एसोसिएशन कहाँ से है? ये सीएसई मेंस 1987 में पूछा गया था. This form incorporates an extensive use of dance to narrate a series of small plays. The theme of the play is generally romantic, and the performers balance a number of earthen pots or brass pitchers. The play is accompanied by semi classical music played in the distinct folk style with instruments such as jhanjar and dholak. The Sutradhar is known as Nayaka in the Bhavai theatre. Daskathiya, ये उड़ीसा से associated है, and that's Daskathiya is a form of folk theatre popular in Odisha. In this form, there are two narrators, Gayak, who is a chief singer, and Palia, who is the co-narrator. The narration is accompanied by a dramatic music composed using a wooden musical instrument called Kathiya. The theme mainly revolves around Lord Shiva. A close variant of this form is Chaiti Ghoda, which uses two musical instruments, dhol and mahuri, and three narrators. Next is March, but I guess we have reached our time limit, yes. So we'll continue from here in the next lecture. Till then, keep watching Ghatna Sutra and keep studying. We are not left with much or 2 pages. Uh, so we'll complete this in the next lecture. Till then, keep studying. We'll meet in the next lecture. Bye.